As a new course author, concern yourself heavily with learner engagement. If your learners don't engage with your course, they don't retain your material and they don't learn your lesson. Your course at its core is content. Engaging content draws in your learners and keeps them both invested in your material as well as entertained by it. It's important to remember that you're competing with anything that can distract your learner through a smartphone screen. Google, YouTube, etc. all draw your learners away when they disengage from your course. But fear not, there is a solution. Design your course to keep your learners engaged and avoid opportunities for disengagement, or worse, boredom, wherever possible. Want to learn how? Check out how to create an online course masterclass today for your guide to creating engaging e-learning content.